bringing it.
Hello everyone, this is Vishal from Align Motions and in today's video we are going to cover crop tool. So what is exactly crop tool? Actually crop tool helps us to remove the extra parts or extra area we don't want from the image. So basically just select crop tool from the toolbar section and we don't want other parts. Suppose we want only watch. So from all the four sides, just select the only watch and click OK. It discards other external parts or delete other external parts. But this deletion is temporary. So to permanent delete, just again get back by pressing Ctrl plus or Command plus Z option. And if you see, this deleted option is not checked, but if you check on this delete crop pixels, it deleted your area permanently. Suppose we want only watch and we select watch, and after pressing enter it deletes permanently, but again get back by pressing Ctrl plus Z or Command plus Z. If I uncheck this deleted crop pixels and again selecting this watch and pressing enter, we can again get back from our other parts. This is how. So this is all about this deletion and not deletion. Suppose we want to adjust the image proportionally. So from the ratio section, select original ratio and you can now select it by proportionally and click OK to select it. I'm undoing this by pressing Ctrl plus or Command plus Z. You can also check some other presets from here. So now I am coming on straighten. So here is our straighten. So straighten helps us to straight our image. So now in this image, if you see, the horizon is not straight. Here is the horizon. So what is actually horizon? Horizon is a part or separation that separates the sky and the ground. So this is our straight horizon. It does not straight. So we want to straight it. Select the straighten option and just drag over the horizon, and it really does a fantastic job and straights your image, and click OK to discard other parts. After that, our other option is grid. So where is basically grid? Here is our grid. Basically grid helps us to focus the subject a lot. Suppose in this image our subject is watch. On your on you, or you can say, if the subject is at corners, I am making the grid by just here. If our subject is at corners 1 2 3 4, If our subject is at corners, the focus of people towards the watch is better or good, and it looks catchy. Suppose I wanted to place this watch at corner and adjust the image like that and click OK. If you see, it looks catchy. So you can also use some other presets like diagonal, golden ratio and other to make it more good. So here it is all up guys. If you like the video, just subscribe it and share it also. Thank you.